Namaskaram, everyone. I warmly welcome everyone for the awesome, the first milestone which we achieved on Vishwas, the 1 year completion of Global Satsang. Um, every step has its own milestone. Ours is the first, it's not going to be the last. I welcome Dr. T.J. Sridharan, sir, to give the welcome address, please.
Thank you, Om Namo Venkatesaya. Thanks to Dr. Raghavendra Sharmaji, Dr. Sriram, and all Vishwas Global team for this opportunity. Just a minute I will take because the whole program is only 15 minutes. Out of which the two presentation and Dr. Raghavendra Sharmaji and Raman advice. Om Namo Venkatesaya. That 1 year journey, the idea was mooted by Sharda of Colombo and one of the oldest students from faculty, Priyanka Navali family. Their dedication, many of us know, including Dr. Raghavendra Sharmaji, about a year back. And thanks to Simon Narayanan and the Vishwas Global team. What we have achieved this 1 year, we'll just show the presentation in 2-3 minutes. And that is, but now we have been talking so many about Vishwas, so many Vishwas, including Research Foundation, Academy, and day for yesterday in one program, they were talking how the idea of chanting tower has come. So idea, everything was given to Raghavendra Sharmaji by Sriman Narayanan, and the Vishwas Global team is only implementing it. The credit goes to, first of all, Raghavendra Sharmaji. Whenever we talk, he will give some new idea, and we implement it. That is the credit of Power of Vishnu Sahasranamam and the tireless effort of Vishwas Global team. Today, we are successful only because of that strong foundation made by Dr. Raghavendra Sharmaji during the last 2 decades along with us, and your tireless effort. I'm sure Priyanka Navale, are you here, ma? In fact, I requested her to be here. She has given a very good small note on about journey of Vishwas the last 1 year. It is very encouraging. It is a positive thing to all of us to note. That is why I requested Sharmaji to present here to know the achievement what we have made on his advice and Vishwas Global team. I have to mention only about 1 or 2 names only. About a year back, 14 months back, one Srividya of Texas. She is not well today, otherwise she would have joined today. What amount of effort they took about 14 months back for the first batch of VV2 after 1 year gap of VV1. And the first batch it took in a very different way. All over the world the message spread, and 2, 3 and 4. Now today Vishwas VV batch is about 74 completed, 75 we are going to start now in only overall. And overall, if you look at it, it is more than 250 batches which are going now. That is a success in the last 1 year. You will be seeing in the presentation also like that. And now we are proud to say that our participants are in 30 countries all over the world, and satsang and all in 15 countries, and 350 satsang. The breakup, just quickly I will say, India we have about 200 plus, and US alone 30, and Sri Lanka 2, Singapore 7, Malaysia 8, Canada 7, Australia 7, Japan, UK all 1 like that. The growth is including Mauritius. Growth is enormous, and another 3 more countries are joining this month in June: Netherlands, New Zealand, Indonesia, Jakarta, Bali, etc. And with 350 satsang, our target is given by Dr. Raghavendra Sharmaji to have 1,000 satsang by end of this year. Everything is possible because of the power of Vishnu Sahasranamam and the effort what you people are putting. Of course, Guruji's advice is here. And also regarding the chanting, I just roughly give about in 10 days, we are doing this 1 crore of Nama, every weekly chanting, daily chanting like that. And I'm also happy to share that some of something in US also doing daily. And yesterday I was in A91, where they are daily doing also with about 30 members, and many more satsangs are doing daily. So this is entire credit goes to the Vishwas Global team. Let us continue our journey, and through presentation which Anita is going to present it. After that, the address of Dr. Raghavendra Sharmaji and Dr. Ramathan, we will wind it up in 15 minutes totally. I request all of them to watch and bless all the younger generation for a peaceful journey with Vishwas. Over to you, Anita ji. Thank you, ma.
Thank you, Sridharan sir. And we have a message from Sri Vidya ma'am from Texas. As she's recovering from a surgery, she could not attend today. She asked us to send her wishes and regards to Sridharan sir. And she said her heart will be always with Vishwas for having given us huge strength in the form of Vishnu Sahasranaman. Thank you. And next, can we start with the presentation?
Yeah, please. I will request the permission from Dr. Ravindra Sharma. After the presentation, you will address, ma. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
This is the note given by Priyanka Nable. Okay.
Okay, sir.
My humble pranams to my Guruji, Dr. Raghavendra Sharma ji, my motivator to write this article, Sharada Manikavasakar from Sri Lanka. My gratitude to Sridharan sir, Shivaramakrishnan sir, Radha madam, Sudha madam, and the entire Viswas team. My special thanks to my mother, Satya, and my aunt, Mrudula, without whom I wouldn't have been where I am. I still remember the time when everyone celebrated the New Year's of 2020, making new resolutions, hoping for the best for the upcoming year. Just then, an unwanted virus started spreading all across the globe, which they called as COVID-19. There were a lot of chaos and complete disorder around the world. Just then, my family and I was fortunate to get introduced to Viswas Institute. I will forever remain indebted to our Guruji, Sri Raghavendra Sharma ji, who taught us Vishnu Sahasranamam, and my gratitude to the entire team of Viswas. There were students of all ages and from various countries in our class. Although the team was students, coordinators, and the team of Viswas was from different locations, the classes went on seamlessly. I always felt that just when everyone was in distress, we had the right opportunity to learn Vishnu Sahasranamam from such a guru. I was overjoyed because I was learning with my entire family. These classes helped my family and me to overcome stress that was prevailing because of the situation. Our Guruji used to tell us about other stories and tidbits related to Sanatana Dharma, which made the class even more interesting. After learning to chant, we started satsangs in which all the students would meet once in every 2 weeks and chant Vishnu Sahasranamam. I wanted to be part of Viswas team and do seva in the best possible way. So I was a coordinator for one batch. I was also doing back-end work in the initial days. After some time, I was a coordinator and backup faculty for another batch. And in this year, in the month of February, March, I was a backup faculty. I am hoping to continue to be part of Viswas team in the coming years. I took part in ISKCON weekly chanting, and also I coordinated for Kids Avarti. Regularly, there are satsangs for which I coordinate and also participate. Although this journey, I had acquaintance of people all over the world, I feel extremely happy that I had the opportunity to talk to so many different locations and different ages. The love and affection which they showered on me cannot be simply put in words. Each time I talk to them, I feel like they are part of my family, which makes me think of phrase Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. I feel so blessed to be part of Viswas. I started as a student and continued my journey as a coordinator and backup faculty. It is such a divine experience to learn Vishnu Sahasranamam from such a great guru. The teachers of Viswas are very patient and encouraging. The team of Viswas is kind and supporting. The atmosphere they all create is perfect for learning Maha Mantras. I am sure whoever is reading this will feel the same and agree with me. I once again thank each and everyone from bottom of my heart for making this possible for me.
Put the second one also, another 3 minutes. That also. Is it ready now?
Yes, sir.
Vision, mission, activities of Vishwa. Om Namo Venkateshaya. I seek immense pleasure in sharing the various activities of this institute and its parent body, Vishwa's Charitable,
Video is not.
which is a part of Vishwa's Charitable Trust.
Video, please.
1 second, sir.
Vision, mission, activities of Vishwa. Om Namo Venkateshaya. I seek immense pleasure in sharing the various activities of this institute and its parent body, Vishwa's Charitable Trust. This institute, which is a part of Vishwa's Charitable Trust, has three major activities. Number one, the spiritual activities. They take care of chanting the Vishnu Sahasranamam in various temples at various occasions, Divyadeshams and so on. Number two, social activities by Vishwas. Vishnu Sahasranama Samsthana. They gather to various requirements in schools, college, corporate offices, old age homes, hospitals, prison, and so on. Number three, spreading the good deeds to the future generations by the Institute. We have guiding principles which are combined by 5 Ds. They are devotion, discipline, dedication, development, determination. And efforts towards this Maha Mantra will definitely bring success in one's life. The student who have finished this course will automatically become member of Vyas, Vishwas Youth Association. Here in Vyas, we create and train many students for future programs. We need help in creating and managing the future online classes. Volunteers are most welcome as coordinators, faculty members, and also for spreading this program to everyone through social media. The next project is Sarvam Vishnu. This is the project for chanting Vishnu Sahasranama twice a day. The timings will be morning 5:45 a.m. and evening 6:15 p.m. in local time. Once remembering Eternal himself at 11:11 by chanting Om Namo Narayana 11 times, thanking Sriman Narayana for global welfare. So far, we have completed more than 200 batches, out of which 75 batches have been conducted abroad. Consisting more than 11,000 students out of 4,000 students are from abroad. In 2020, Vishwas Global Team organized mass chanting globally about 5 times. Vishwas Research Foundation is formed to do research on science and Sahasranama. We started our mass chanting for the year 2021 with Bhishmastami chanting, followed by Navavarsha chanting on April 13, marking Tamil New Year, Yugadi, Baisakhi and other regional festivals, followed by Ramanavami chanting. Recently, we did mass chanting on 30th April, 1st May, both online and offline at Asthana Mandapam, Tirumala, with minimum devotees due to ongoing pandemic. We have launched Vishwas Academy to train upcoming faculties, coordinators and country heads for class and satsang. We are having global chanting every day at 5 a.m. and 6:15 p.m. IST. All 14 countries will be participating on their respective day in chant in the Maha Mantra. We have Vishnu Sahasranamam, meaning discourses by Dr. V. Ramabhadran sir, trustee and senior faculty at 5:45 a.m. to 6 a.m. In the evening, we have Vishwas Nama Sankirtanam done by CGVSS and Vishwas Global Team. Classes are conducted in Hong Kong, US, Japan, Singapore, Sri Lanka, Canada, UK, Hungary, UAE, Malaysia, Australia, Mauritius, and so on. Once the batches are completed, the satsang is formed so that this Maha Mantra is chanted once in a week. In addition to this daily practice, so far around 70 satsangs were formed by students abroad and around 215 in India. We are blessed and proud to say that we create 25 satsangs every month. Please do recommend others for joining Vishwas Institute to get benefited from here. With classes being conducted in 14 countries and over 320 satsangs around the world, we are one of the largest NGO globally. This type of online classes has 4 pillars after Sriman Narayana. The faculty is headed by Dr. Raghavendra Sharma ji, the director of this institute and Guruji. The technical support led by Shri Sivaramakrishnan sir, director of institute. A dedicated team of over 40 volunteers who work around the clock to give best help in finishing this Maha Mantra classes in 20 days. Finally, you, the students, are the biggest support. I request you all to practice this Maha Mantra every day with correct pronunciation and to be a part of Vishwa Satsang on its spiritual journey. Thanking you, praying Shriman Narayana.
Thank you, technical team, for the wonderful presentation. It's done by Hema from France and voiceover given by Devika from US and video presentation done by Saranya Rajesh from US. Thank you again.
Headed by Kalevani in India. Now you can request Dr. Raghvendra Sharma to address. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I request the pillar of support on everything, whatever we do, the director of Vishwas, Raghavendra Sharma ji, to address the crowd, please.
Om Namo Narayanaya.
Welcome, sir. Once again, welcoming you. Over to you.
Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. It's a very have immense pleasure to be the part of Vishwas Institute. Sridharan sir would always say, I'm head of the institute, but I always feel myself, I'm the part of this institution. Head is Sriman Narayana. And you know, I only give some ideas, some planning, some idea strikes in my mind. I just tell to Sridharan sir, immediately those ideas are being implemented. I don't know how. You have got a wonderful team headed by Sridharanji. In Sanskrit we call Yojakas Tatra Durlabaha. Always know, see, there are powerful mantras. There are people to do the japam of powerful mantras. But someone should be the connecting factor between this mantra and this chanting of the mantra. Then only the mantra is effective. Like this, Sridharanji is always connecting factor. What he does, he connects the Maha Mantra with the people through this Vishwas Institute. And we have got many more people. See, anything, hard work, dedication, sincerity will fetch us the excellent fruit. The perfect example for this statement is Vishwas Institute headed by Sridharanji. We have got a wonderful team. I always call our Ramavadranji as Bhishmacharya of this team. And you know, Radha Madam, Sivaramakrishnan sir, many more people, Sudhaji, many more hardworking, sincere and dedicated people are here. So, Sriman Narayana and the best success of our Vishwas Institute is the learners and more participants and seva kartas and sutradharas, like we had Priyanka Navre, one of my best shishas, a great learner. So I wish 1,000 satsangas. Once again, I give the idea and planning. Sridharanji will implement it undoubtedly. We would like to have 1,000 satsangas. Each satsanga, we will call them Satsanga 1 is Vishwam. Satsanga 2 is Vishnuhu. Third Satsanga name is Vashat. So it is easy to identify. Suppose in Australia, we have one Satsanga. We need not call Australia Satsanga. We will call Vashatkar. The Satsanga name is Vashatkar. And Bhutakrit, Bhutaprit, Bhavo, Bhutatma. Where is a Bhutakrit Satsanga? The Canadian Satsanga is called Bhutakrit. Sri Lankan Satsanga is called Bhutabrit. So like this, we would like to have definitely within an year, our dream is Sahasra Nama Satsanga. 1000 Sahasranama Satsanga. Each Satsanga would be called with the name of one name. That's my dream. That's my dream. Definitely this will, because instead of calling Australia Satsanga, Canadian Satsanga, it is better to call the name of the Satsanga with Bhagavan Nama itself. So for the entire Satsanga, as we start, Vishwasmai Namaha, Vishwas is a headed Satsanga. So this is our idea and dream. Definitely with the help of always Bhagavan doesn't come directly. He makes the tool of some people. So Sridharanji and you people are there. You are the pillars, the learners are the pillars of the Satsanga. Dedicated, sacrificing people, coordinators, volunteers are the pillars of the Satsanga. With all your help, definitely this global Satsanga, Vishwas team will definitely take this idea. My blessings to one and all. Sridhara, Shrikara, Shriman. Always he never wanted to appreciate, because the roots are not seen outside. But the root is the root cause for the entire tree. So I always tell Sridhar is the root and root cause of this entire Vishwas team. We have got a wonderful person like Sivaramakrishnan ji. Ramabhadran sir is there, everything is done. I am just coming and going, that's all. Whereas the team workers, dedicated team workers are there, like Ramabhadran sir, Sivaramakrishnan sir, Radha madam, Sudha madam, and the pillars of dedicated learners, and Sutradharas, coordinators, the team working, wonderful. My blessings to one and all. What we want, we want, see, the things, definitely, when you are going, see, your journey, Guruji, prosperity, health, wealth, all these things we want. Definitely, when you cross, when your intention is reaching 1000 miles, why do you worry about the 5th mile or 6th mile or 7th kilometer? Automatically, those things are crossed. So when you spread the Bhagavan Nama, Sahasranama, this health, that is the ultimate destination, 1000th kilometer. On the way, health, wealth, prosperity, family-oriented prosperity, everything is 2nd kilometer, 3rd kilometer, 4th kilometer only. Just to reach the 4th kilometer, our life intention itself need not be spent. Those things will be automatically taken care by Sriman Narayan. With these blessings, all my Guru's blessings, I wish everyone great success, health, wealth, prosperity, manas shanti, okay, and blessings of Sriman Narayana. Om Namo Narayana.
Thank you, sir. I've got only one statement to you, sir. 2 decades back, 20 years back, I remember you only taught us the power of Vishnu Sahasranam.
Yes.
The power of Vishnu Sahasranam, your ideas, and the team, Vishwas global team. We are all now, we can say, as of now, about 13,000 members are there. Members mean no registered, all are just like that, they are learned from us. 13,000 members are here. And good news is 3,000 members are studying in the month of May. Another 3,000 are scheduled in the month of June. The growth is enormous. Only he is controlling Sriman Narayanan. Ideas given by you. So your guidance, advice are always required.
Let us call the global Satsanga names by Sahasranama names.
Done, sir, noted. Already many comments have been done because your ideas are always implemented. The only reply is power of Vishnu Sahanam. Two things, sir. Power of Vishnu Sahanam, I would say three. Ideas given by you, power of Vishnu Sahanam. Vishwas global team is one of the strongest in the world, rather the strongest in the world.
My dear members, I would like to convey a message. See, for any statement, as Ramabhadranji knows, for any statement we say, we have to tell the Shastrik Pramana, authenticity from Shastras. By taking the name of Sahasranama, how a person could be very, very healthy, first of all. Both examples we get, one from Sridharanji and one from Ramabhadranji. You take the name of Sahasranama, you are very, very healthy. Always active. I really, I wonder, at times I myself become energyless, whereas Sridharanji and Ramabhadranji, Shivaramakrishna, always energetic. Only things make them highly energetic is take that thing. They take a multivitamin called where A to Z vitamin are fully fulfilled. That is Sahasranama. 1,000 ingredients. Whereas in multivitamin tablets, we have got only maximum 11 or 12 ingredients. Wo rahega to adirunda idirukade. Why vitamin A ke taniya eduthukonu, vitamin B taniya eduthukonu, all these. So you take the perfect examples of Sridharanji and Ramabhadranji, Shivaramakrishnaji, Radha Madam. They are all very highly energetic. Even after crossing 60 plus. How? This is the authentic, when your intention is good, you will get energy. God bless you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Anithaji, can you call Ramabhadran for a minute to advise, sir?
Yes, sir. Please.
Sir, in 2 minutes we finish the program. Sharmaji, don't go, sir. 2 minutes we wind up.
Thank you, Sharmaji, for your inspiring and wonderful words. We will try to follow everything on Vishwas as per your guidelines. Now I request our favorite faculty, the senior faculty, Mr. Ramabhadran sir, to say a few words for the gathering, please.
Om Namo Venkateshaya, Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Pranams to everybody. It's indeed heartening to see the Vishwas global team completing the 1 year of its inception. And this itself, as all Raghavendra Sharmaji put it, this itself is the proof of the power of Vishnu Sahasranam. Once you put in, as Sridharanji used to say, once you put in little effort, Bhagavan is there. All you need to do is 10%, 90%, he supplements it. All he sees is whether you are putting that 10% effort or not. That's all he's looking at it. So once you're sincere and put your efforts on that, obviously he's building castles over it, and therefore that's the success we are seeing it. And then, as Raghavendra Sharmaji put it, the power of Vishnu Sahasranam, we are able to see in the Vishwas itself how things have been growing, from leaps and bounds and so on. So my request to Raghavendra Sharmaji is, I'm sure we will reach this 1,000 satsangs, maybe not even 1 year, maybe in about 6 months' time. Sir, please think about further what name we can give for satsangs beyond 1,000 names, because we are not going to restrict it to 1,000 names. 1,000 is only one milestone. So once you reach the 1,000 milestones, obviously it will go beyond that. I'm sure. With the kind of support that we are getting from the entire thing. Not only, we are only from the front line. We are talking about all these things. There are so many people are working at the back end. Most of them we may not even know. So all those things are putting there. For example, this Emma from France. I think in France it's about 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock early in the morning. So she has been there to put across this kind of presentations. So that shows the kind of dedication that all of us, all the people in the Vishwas, of course, they are all being inspired by people like Sridharanji, who has been, tirelessly working 24/7, Shivaramakrishnaji, and all other people, the Radhaji, and we have so many people who are working 24/7. So those things are only inspiring people like me. And incidentally, today is Vaikashi Vishakamje, which is Nammalvar Sthira Nakshatram. So coincidentally, our 1 year falls on this Nammalvar Sthira Nakshatram, which is also a very auspicious day. And therefore, this itself indicates the Bhagavan's blessings to all the Vishwas global team. So may the global team prosper more and more. My best wishes to the team, and let Sriman Narayana bless all of us. Om Namo Venkatesha.
Today is Narasimha Jayanti also, sir.
Narasimha Jayanti also, correct. So at least people should chant the Vishnu Sahasranama once between this, what do you call this, Pradosha time, that is between 4:30 to 6:30. So please chant Vishnu Sahasranam at least once during that period of time. So of course we have our usual time between 6:15 to 7. Even that is also okay. So Narasimha Jayanti is also another important event today. Om Namo Venkatesha.
Thank you, sir. Sivaramakrishnan, can you address for a minute, sir, on wishing all the people, Vishwas
My-
Global Team? Because
my
one
best-
minute, I'm not thanking each individual because Vishwas Global Team is all consisting of faculty, technical, and back-end support. We have got 4 major groups: pre-class, in-class, after the class, like that. IT team. So entire we are all called Vishwas Global Team. The credit goes to the entire team. That is the success of today. The power of 2000. Over to you, sir, please.
Praying Sriman Narayanan for the continuous success and reaching the target of 1000 satsangs. And at this stage, we thank all the devotees, all the coordinators, all the volunteers, all the faculties for this success. And let us all join together in taking this mission forward to the new year height fixed by our Guruji, that is reaching 1000 satsangs in a year's time. Praying Sriman Narayanan and best wishes to all of you. Thank you.
Radha Shekhar, are you here, ma?
Yeah, I'm here.
Why don't
I'm
you-
really speechless, you know. I'm going emotional. நம்ம தான் இப்படி இருந்தோமான்னு சொல்லிட்டு it's all, you know, your effort, blessings of Sriman Narayanan, our, you know, guide, friend, philosopher and everything, Dr. Ravindra Sharma, Sivaramakrishnan sir and Ramabhadran sir. I just, you know, I'm really blessed. I don't know what to say about this. So praying Sriman Narayanan to grow more and more, you know, probably 10,000 satsangs, probably in 2 years. I'm a little greedy. Anyway, because of Sridharan sir's, you know, what to say, whatever he says, it's being implemented immediately. You know, that's the success of and power of Vishnu Sahasranamam, as he says. I'm really thanking each and every one of this team to grow more and more, you know, yeah, like alamaram, like a vriksha. Thank you, sir. Thank
Thank
you
you,
so much.
Radhamma. Raghavendra Sharma ji, I don't know whether I spoken to you or not. On 19th of June and 20th June, one more miracle under your guidance and advice. We are doing all the Vishnu, Lakshmi, Lalita Sahasranam, which we normally do it in Chennai Shankaralayam. This time we are globally doing it also. Registrations have come for more than 2,000 for Vishnu, Lakshmi, Lalita all over the world and Chennai group. So on 19th June, we are doing for online registration people, and 20th June for we are doing those who have not registered in Chennai and other people also. Both the days, another global chanting. We are imagining and dreaming to do 1 crore of Lalita Sahasranamam. How it is not possible, but we are trying. In fact, yesterday I discussed with Radha, it is possible by this way. So all the things we need your advice. And I would request you on 1st of June, we are trying to make a coaching class for 6 days, Lakshmi Lalita Sahasranamam. Just come and start the session. It is only that also, it is not an institute attendance anything. We want to give a coaching, special 6 days coaching by senior people like Radha and our Krishnamurti, and there are a lot of people are going to take the classes in Zoom. And 6 days coaching we are giving Lalita Lakshmi Sahasranamam. Though we are not deviating from Vishnu Sahasranamam, but once in a year we started doing for the last 15 years. So we want to continue this practice. We want all of them to know Lakshmi Lalita Sahasranamam. So on 1st of June, I will send you the invitation there. Just come and inaugurate it so that we educate those people who want to learn this in 6 days time. And then once in a year they can do that. Is it okay, sir?
Yeah, it is very apt to add Lakshmi Sahasranama and Lalita Sahasranama because the avatar when Krishna, before Krishna avatara, Mahamaya takes birth, right? So sister Lalita, the form of Mahamaya is Lalita, is a sister of Krishna, you know. So always to get rid of Mahamaya, right? You want the blessings of Mahamaya itself. So learning, and always without Shakti, there cannot be male. So Lakshmi Sahasranama is very apt. Very apt. Please go ahead. Very apt.
So inaugurate பண்ணிட்டு one of the details தரேன், just 2 minutes and we want all of them.
Sir, just for the people, you know the meaning of Lalita, you know, Lalita na playful. What is his Yada Swamike, can we put name Playful Ambal? Playfully ara per vepada? Yes, because There are different categories of people. No, some people seriously solve the problem, any problem solving nature, you know. Some people I have seen, just like that, they will solve the problem. They will also solve the problem, right? But just like that, right? So that is that nature we want, sir, because without taking strain in our mind, you know. So we want all the problem solving skill, just like that, in a playful nature. So Lalita is always playful, smiling nature. To adopt that nature, we should learn Lalita's aspect. So that's a good idea. Good idea.
That's what we are teaching. We are telling people, those if you do not know, please register. We will ensure that you are taught in 6 days' time. We are doing it only on 19th and 20th. I think it will be another good success under your guidance. Okay.
Yes.
Good to
Yes,
you.
all the best.
Before we conclude, Shekhar sir, are you here, sir? Can we wind up the session, sir? Raman sir, Siramakrishnan,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes,
we
yes.
have exceeded the இருக்காரு அவர் தான் ஓட் ஆஃப் டைம் சொல்லணும் because it is an occasion, not celebration only thanking Sriman Narayanan. We want to do it in 10-15 minutes, but it has taken more than 10-15 minutes beyond our control. Once again, thank you over to Shekhar for vote of thanks and concluding prayer. Anjaji, please, ma. Okay. Shekhar sir,
Sir,
please.
Om Namo Venkateshaya. It's a great occasion, and we are very blessed to be associated with the global team and for their first anniversary celebration. And it's an excellent journey we have traveled all through. And I thank the Almighty, and I thank all the
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I think ending prayer today, Usha, it is your turn, no?
Sir, wait. I'll give the information.
Yeah, over to Shipriya. Over to.
Sir, I've been muted by somebody. I think, Shekhar sir, you'll have to unmute yourself.
Santana announcer for prayer, please.
Ma'am,
1
please.
minute. Shipriya has to conclude.
Really, we are blessed to have our Gurujis, Dr. Ramabhadranji and Dr. Raghavendra Sharmaji, being here with us for this great occasion of the anniversary of the online classes and the global chanting anniversary. Really, we are blessed, and we really will take up your word. The spark you have given, definitely it will grow, and we assure you on our part. And before we go for the closing prayer, let me give the evening sessions programs as well. We have the Nama Sankirtanam from 5:55 p.m. to 6:10 p.m. by Rekha and Siddharth of 11-year-old from Muscat, belongs to VV38 batch, followed by the global chanting of Qatar and Hungary by 6:15 p.m. IST. Once again, after the completion of the global chanting, similarly how we did in the morning, a small presentation to commemorate the anniversary will be presented by the Sri Lankan team, and who has the initiative of beginning this global satsang and global chanting by Ms. Sharada of Sri Lankan team. Thank you, ma'am, for the great idea which has developed enormous. And tomorrow morning we have Australia for the global chanting, so I expect everyone to take part in both the sessions of every day and get the blessings of Sriman Narayana. Over to Santana.